Hey everybody, it's Vindy Mark here and I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I will be reviewing someone else's locks. Her name is Aquarius Locks, and so let's just jump right in. And so right off the bat, I just want to kind of go over what her hair qualities look like, at least from the screen. I don't know her in real life, and I haven't had the chance to handle her hair. But it looks like she's got probably average hair strands and probably a little bit above average hair density. That much can be seen in the fact that she just has a lot of volume. Her locks have a lot of body, and she also looks like she has probably, I would consider them to be small locks, small traditional locks. Many people would look at that and say they're Microlocs, maybe medium-sized Microlocs or large Microlocs, however you want to call it. But she's got a lot of locks and they're very small in size. It also looks like her length grazes just past shoulder length, so she's got a good amount of length as well. One of the primary things that I love about her locks is the fact that I can just tell by looking at them on video that she has a lot of natural shine. Shine is something that a lot of people think can be bought in a bottle, and in a way it kind of can be. Like, products can give you an amount of artificial shine, but it's nothing quite like the real thing. And the thing that actually gives people's hair shine has to do with how light reflects off of their hair. For people whose cuticles naturally lay very flat, their hair will shine, and it's because the light is literally bouncing off of the flat cuticles. It's reflecting off of the flat cuticles, and so to the human eye that makes the hair look like it glows, like it's shiny. Now, someone whose cuticles are actually raised and they're just that way naturally, when light comes in contact with raised hair cuticles, it doesn't reflect the light, it refracts the light. And so to the human eye, refracted light looks dull. I don't think that one is better than the other. Obviously, we all love shiny hair, but when we're talking in terms of locks, people whose cuticles naturally are raised or lifted actually tend to lock way faster, because those raised cuticles catch on to other raised cuticles from other hair strands, and it gets the locking process started really quickly and really easily. Conversely, when you have flat cuticles that reflect light awesomely, they don't really catch onto each other. The hair strands don't catch onto each other, and so the locking process will still take place, but it takes longer. To be honest, I can't, like, her hair is so dark and beautiful. I don't know if that's her natural color or not. I'm hoping that she gets a chance to watch this video and give some feedback, but she has beautiful depth to the color of her locks. They are so dark, they are so black, and they just look beautiful. And I think that even the color of her hair adds to what is, at least in my opinion, natural shine. It looks beautiful. Her hair has great volume, great body, excellent density, great movement, just natural shine. And these are all things that happen just from being the unique and natural qualities and properties of our hair. So for me, like I said, as I touched on in this video, one of the things that I love the most about her locks is that they are super shiny, and it looks as though naturally so. It doesn't look like that's something that's synthetic and put on. What are some of your favorite qualities about Aquarius Locks? And leave those comments in the comment section below. And if you guys have any suggestions or requests of people with unique sets of locks on YouTube that you would like for me to cover, leave those suggestions and requests down below as well. As always, thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next time.